Lesson 3, Multiplication as Comparison. So today we're going to look at multiplication and the different ways in a story problem that they might tell you that you need to do multiplication. There are some key phrases to look for. Times as many, times more, times as much. If we see those phrases when you're in a story problem, it's a pretty good guess that they are looking for multiplication in the answer. Example 1. Mary attended camp for 7 days this summer. Tyler attended 3 times as many days as Mary. Find the number of days Tyler attended camp. You can use counters to help you compare the groups of days. Again, you have access to counters in your virtual manipulatives if you want to use them. Model Mary's days at camp as one group of 7 days. So I'm going to draw this on my book. 4, 5, 6. I ran out of room, so I'm going to come back to this side. 7. Tyler attended 3 times as many days at camp. So I'm going to model Tyler's days at camp as 3 groups of 7. 4, 5, 6, 7, and I need to do that 3 times. Here you're going to see an array. Again, if you did the Array Blaster assignment with us at the beginning of the school year, this will look very familiar. Now, we can find the total of 3 groups of 7 by doing repeated addition this time. 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 21, or 3 times 7 equals 21. So Tyler attended camp for 21 days. A type of model drawing is a bar diagram. A bar diagram can help you understand a problem and to solve it. For those who watched the problem-solving investigation strategy from Chapter 1, this is what we were talking about. Example 2. Suki used 15 beads to make a bracelet. This is 3 times as many beads as what Cassidy used. How many beads did Cassidy use? We're going to use a bar diagram to model this problem. Here you can see they're saying Cassidy's beads that she used is a question mark. So we have a box with question mark number of beads. Then for the bar diagram, because we know that it's 3 times as many as what Suki used, they've taken that box with the question mark and they've put 3 of them right next to each other. When we add those 3 together into one box, we get 15 beads. So Suki used 3 times as many beads as Cassidy, and we know that. Now, how many beads did Cassidy use? We can write an equation. We've got 3 boxes times something equals 15, and we just need to either do that in our minds, or we can use our fact families and what we know and flip it around to division. 15 divided by 3 equals, and that will give us our question mark. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So Cassidy used 5 beads. Guided practice. Use multiplication or division to complete the equation for the phrase below. 3 times as much. And then they gave us 3 dots, 3 yellow dots in the box. 3 times as much tells us that we are doing multiplication, not division. 3 times that box. So if we were to draw that box 3 times, 3 times 3 would give us 9. You have more practice on the independent practice on the next page if you have your math book, or if you're ready, you can go to your homework and show us what you know.